Can you insure a car that's not registered in your name? It's a common question, especially for people driving a family car, company vehicle, or a borrowed ride. Some insurers say no, some say yes, so let's break it down and help you understand your options. Hi, I'm Sam with Trailstone Insurance Group. We help people make smart, informed decisions about their coverage without all the insurance jargon. If you're regularly driving a car you don't own, whether it's a parent's, a friend's, or a company car, this video is for you. Let's dig into what your real options are and how to protect yourself the right way. So, insuring a car that isn't in your name is more than just paperwork issue. It can impact your ability to file a claim, get paid out, or even meet the legal requirements to drive. Insurance companies want to see that you have a financial interest in the vehicle. If they don't believe you'd suffer a loss if the car was damaged or stolen, they may deny your coverage entirely. And if that happens after a claim, you could be left paying out the claim out of your own pocket. So, can you even insure a car if it's not in your name? Well, here's the deal. Most of the time, no. You can't just get a policy on a car you don't own. The key term here is insurable interest. If you wouldn't personally suffer a financial loss if the car was damaged or totaled, insurers don't see a reason to cover you. It's like trying to insure your neighbor's house. No ownership, no interest, no policy. Now, that doesn't mean you're out of options. Here's a few workarounds. With the owner's okay, you could add your name to the title so that you share ownership. This would show that you have insurable interest, which means you could place an insurance policy on the vehicle. Or you could purchase a non-owner insurance policy. This coverage is a good option if you drive other people's cars often. It covers liability, but not damage to the car itself. So be sure to take note. This could potentially create a gap in your insurance. This type of policy covers liability, but not damage to the vehicle that you're driving. So make sure you understand the limits here if you purchase a non-owner insurance policy. You might be able to get added to the insurance policy of the person that owns the vehicle, but usually that's only possible if you're living in the same address. If that's the case, it's often the simplest and quickest way to get properly insured. And a final option, if you can show that you're financially responsible for the vehicle, you might be able to get coverage. Some insurance companies will accept things like a lease or care agreement as proof that you're responsible for the car and you do have an insurable interest. So, not being able to insure a vehicle in these situations comes up more than you'd think. We see this happen with teens or college kids using a parent's car, or long-term borrowers, maybe you're holding onto a cousin's car for a few months, employees or caregivers using a client or company's car, roommates or partners sharing a ride but not sharing a title. Each situation's a little different, so it's always best to chat with an agent who knows how to navigate this stuff. So if you're driving a car that's not in your name, don't leave it up to chance. Give us a call here at Trailstone. We'd be happy to help you.